Hello students. Today's class we are going to see what is autoboxing and unboxing. Come let us see what is autoboxing and unboxing. What is autoboxing? The conversion of primitive data type into non-primitive data type automatically is called autoboxing. For example, here in this problem if you take a equal to 25, here this 25 is converted to an object by using this wrap class. This integer ob is equal to new integer. So this a is assigned here and this particular a, which is a primitive data type, is automatically converted to an object. You see here I have assigned a is equal to ob. So when the primitive data type is converted into non-primitive data type automatically, we call it as autoboxing. And when we see this is the example, so int a equal to 5, in line number 1 a is a primitive data type. So in line number 2 a is converted to an object and line number 3 a is stored to an object. Hence primitive data a is converted to non-primitive data ob. This is called autoboxing. More examples are this. You can just go through here and then 50 is here and 50 is now transferred to OB, and here OB1 is also, I am just giving it as 5. So when I print OB and OB1, it is 50 and 5. Advantages of autoboxing is less code to write and the code looks cleaner. Coming on to unboxing, the conversion of non-primitive data type into primitive data type is called unboxing. For example, if you take integer OB and here I store 56 and this OB is transferred to a primitive data type, since when we print SOPLN A, I can just unbox it. So the conversion of non-primitive data type, whichever is converted to a primitive, say our object is converted to a data type, then we call it as a unboxing. So example is you just see here 56 and this OB is transferred here and then I get the answer. So line number 1 OB is non-primitive data type which has the value 56. In line number 2 OB is stored to A, hence non-primitive object gets converted to a primitive data. This is called as unboxing. Hope you have understood the concept primitive autoboxing and unboxing. Have a good day.